So I'm working on this doorknob here, and I can see it's beginning to not really open the latch fully. And so I pulled the knob off and took a look, and I can see it's got some wear on it on the shaft here, right along there where it's pulling in here. So the metal's wearing away and it's not pulling it back enough. So I'm going to add some metal there with my MIG welder and see if I can get that to pull the latch more. And so right in here is where I'm going to be adding the metal. So I've added a little metal with the MIG welder here, and so now I'm going to see if it actually pulls the latch now. Definitely does. You can see it pulls it almost flush there. So now I can just go ahead and install it, and it'll easily open the door. So before I install it, I'm going to put some grease here. Maybe it'll help it survive a little longer. So now you can see it's pulling in all the way now, flush with the door. Before it was getting to where it wouldn't allow the door to open.